how to change name on Facebook. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on our profile over here on the top right. After that, click on settings and privacy. Click on settings once again and we should be redirected to the settings page. Over here, click on Meta Accounts Center. In this section, in this center, this is where we will be able to modify things related to our account. Click on your Facebook profile. And over here, as you can see, name. Simply click on your name. And you should then be able to change your first name, your middle name, and last name over here. Also, keep in mind, after you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So that's basically it, guys. After that, simply click on Review Change. And if Facebook didn't detect anything bad with your name, you should be able to easily change it just like that. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.